Hey everyone, welcome. Ever feel like you're constantly distracted and can't focus on anything important? It might be time for a dopamine detox. Today we're diving into Dopamine Detox by Thibaut Meurisse. Meurisse is known for his practical personal development advice, and this book is no exception. In our digital age, we're bombarded with high-stimulus activities like social media and video games. This constant exposure can leave us feeling drained and unfocused. Dopamine Detox offers a solution by helping us reset our brain's reward system. Dopamine Detox by Thibaut Meurisse is a guide to resetting your brain's reward system to regain control over your focus and productivity. The book explores the science behind dopamine, the impact of overstimulation, and practical strategies to reduce reliance on high dopamine activities. First, let's understand dopamine. It's a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in how we experience pleasure and motivation. It's often referred to as the feel-good chemical because it releases in response to rewarding stimuli, such as eating, social interactions, and achieving goals. The problem is, when we're constantly seeking high dopamine activities, our brains start to crave more and more stimulation, leading to a cycle of distraction and reduced focus. Meurisse suggests identifying these high dopamine activities and gradually reducing our exposure to them. The problem with overstimulation. Constant stimulation. In today's world, we're constantly exposed to high dopamine activities, such as social media, video games, and fast-paced entertainment. These activities provide instant gratification, but can lead to a decrease in our ability to focus on less stimulating but more meaningful tasks. Dopamine addiction. Over time, our brains can become addicted to the constant hits of dopamine, making it harder to find satisfaction in everyday activities. This can lead to a lack of motivation, decreased productivity, and even mental health issues like anxiety and depression. The concept of dopamine detox. Resetting the brain. A dopamine detox aims to reset the brain's reward system by reducing exposure to high dopamine activities. This helps to restore balance, improve focus, and increase overall well-being. Reducing dependence. By taking a break from overstimulating activities, we can reduce our dependence on them and learn to appreciate simpler, more meaningful experiences. Steps to implement a dopamine detox. 1. Identify high dopamine activities. Start by listing activities that provide high levels of instant gratification. Common examples include social media, video games, junk food, and excessive internet browsing. 2. Set clear boundaries. Establish clear boundaries for engaging in these activities. This could mean setting specific times for social media use, limiting video game playtime, or designating tech-free zones in your home. 3. Gradual reduction. Gradually reduce your exposure to high dopamine activities. For example, if you spend 3 hours a day on social media, aim to cut it down to 2 hours, then 1 hour, and so on. 4. Introduce low dopamine activities. Replace high dopamine activities with low dopamine alternatives that still bring joy and fulfillment. This could include reading, exercising, meditating, cooking, or spending time in nature. 5. Mindfulness and meditation. Incorporate mindfulness and meditation practices into your daily routine to help manage cravings and increase your awareness of the present moment. 6. Create a supportive environment. Surround yourself with a supportive environment that encourages healthy habits. This might mean spending time with friends who share your goals or joining a community focused on personal growth. Practical tips from the book. Scheduled breaks. Schedule regular breaks from high dopamine activities to give your brain a chance to rest and reset. For instance, you might take a digital detox day once a week where you avoid all screens and technology. Healthy alternatives. Find healthy alternatives to replace high dopamine activities. Instead of reaching for your phone when you're bored, try going for a walk, practicing a hobby, or engaging in a creative project. Track your progress. Keep a journal to track your progress and reflect on the changes you notice in your focus, productivity, and overall well-being. Examples and stories. Case study. Jane's digital detox. Jane, a 30-year-old marketing professional, found herself constantly distracted by her phone. She decided to implement a dopamine detox by setting specific times for checking social media and replacing her evening screen time with reading and journaling. Over a month, she noticed a significant improvement in her focus and productivity at work. Example: mindfulness practice. Meurisse shares the story of a busy executive who incorporated mindfulness meditation into his daily routine. By practicing 10 minutes of mindfulness each morning, he was able to reduce his reliance on high dopamine activities and feel more present and focused throughout the day. Benefits of a dopamine detox. Improved focus. By reducing reliance on high dopamine activities, you can improve your ability to focus on important tasks and achieve your goals more effectively. Increased productivity. A dopamine detox helps to break the cycle of distraction and procrastination, leading to increased productivity and better time management. Enhanced well-being. Reducing overstimulation and finding joy in simpler activities can lead to improved mental health and a greater sense of fulfillment. Conclusion. Dopamine Detox by Thibaut Meurisse provides a practical and actionable guide to resetting your brain's reward system and regaining control over your focus and productivity. By understanding the role of dopamine, identifying high dopamine activities, and implementing a structured detox plan, you can improve your well-being and achieve your personal and professional goals. For those looking to dive deeper into the topic and take actionable steps towards a more balanced and fulfilling life, this book offers valuable insights and practical advice. Thank you for listening.